Alright guys, this is CSX I-008. CSX I-008 is running late because a lot of trains got stopped on the CSX Mount Victory line because there was some kind of police accident on some road western area. Now the train's on call. God, this time needs to stop blocking my view of train. I'm getting tired of it. M217, welcome to New York. How do you know? Alright, I-008. Welcome to New York in Ohio. Alright guys, that was CSX I-008. It came from Rose Lake, Illinois, and it's going to North Bergen, New Jersey. Also guys, just want to let you know, I did catch a train meet in Marion, Ohio, but I had to delete the train video because, because the sun blocked all of the locomotives on the southbound mixed freight train. Now I had to delete that video of Norfolk Southern meeting CSX. Okay guys, and this will be my final train. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.